Everybody wants to win, but not everyone is willing to think like a winner. Winning is not an accident. It is a mindset. It is a decision. It is a lifestyle and a habit. Winners are not born. They are built in silence, in struggle and sacrifice. Before the trophies, before the applause, before the results, there is a mind that refuses to quit. The mindset of a winner is unbreakable. It is the voice that says, "Get up," when everyone else says, "Stay down." It is the fire that keeps burning even when the world turns cold. To be a winner, your mind must be stronger than your emotions. Your belief must be louder than your fears. Your commitment must be greater than your comfort. My message today is to people yearning for greatness, not simply success. I want to talk to people built for impact, sick of mediocrity, and allergic to excuses. We often admire the top 1% winners, the legends, the leaders, the world changers. But what truly separates them from the rest is not just talent. It is not just luck. It is habit. Daily, consistent, unshakable habits that shape their destiny. So let me ignite your fire with the 7 habits of the top 1% winners. If you embrace these, your life will never be the same. Number 1. Ruthless self-discipline. The top 1% don't wait for motivation. They are driven by discipline. While others sleep in, they are grinding. While others procrastinate, they execute. When others give up, they just get started. They push, they fight, they persevere because they refuse to concur to defeat. And they do it because they are committed. Discipline is their superpower. Remember that discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. Keep working and be disciplined. Number 2, relentless focus on goals. Winners have laser focus. They set goals, they write them down, and then they visualize them daily. Every action is measured. Every decision serves a purpose. The 1% winners don't get distracted by noise. They stay locked in on what matters. They don't chase everything. They master something. Something remarkable that can make them reach the highest level of achievement. They are resilient with unwavering determination and focus. Therefore, you need to starve your distractions and feed your focus. Number 3, hunger to learn. The top runners are eternal students. They read, they listen, they ask questions. They surround themselves with people who stretch their minds. To the 1% winners, growth is not optional. It is oxygen. They long for it, they thirst for it, as if their life depends on it. While others entertain themselves, they educate themselves. Don't forget that when you learn more, you will gain more, spiritually, financially, and emotionally. Number 4, ownership and responsibility. The 1% never blame people or the environment. They don't point fingers. They own their life, their failures, their mistakes, their result. It is all on them. Because when you take full responsibility, you take full control. They don't wait for change, they create it. That is why you must accept personal accountability. Although you can't alter the weather, the season, or the wind, but you can alter yourself. Number 5, obsession with execution. Dreams and ideas are not enough. The most important attribute is the dedication towards the goal. What separates winners is action. Relentless pursuit and daily completion of tasks lead to achievement of 1% winners. They don't wait for the perfect moment. They create progress now. They don't talk about it. They are about it. That is why occasional actions do not lead to success. Success originates from your regular actions. Number 6, mastery of mindset. The top 1% think differently. They feed their mind with faith, courage, belief, and resilience. When storms hit, they stand. When failure knocks, they rise. Their mindset is wired for victory. They don't see obstacles, they see opportunities in disguise. Always remember that whatever you want to be in life starts from the mind. And your mindset will either be your prison or your passport. Number 7, purpose bigger than themselves. The greatest winners don't live for just applause or money. They live for a mission. They want to make an impact, to leave a legacy, to change lives. Their purpose fuels their passion. That is why they never give up, because it is not just about them. It is about something greater. Therefore, if you know the why, the how will be easy. So I ask you, what do you want? To fit in or to rise? To stay comfortable or to dominate? To wish for it or to work for it? Because if you are serious about becoming the top 1%, you must start with these habits. Build them, live them, guard them, and one day they will look at you and say, that is the one who never gave up. That is the one who rose from nothing. That is the one who made history. Be uncommon, be disciplined, and be unstoppable. The top 1% is not a position, it is a decision. Make it today.